What's up guys, welcome to Apex. A quick status check on the Google Play system updates. I've got the Galaxy S25 Ultra here, S26 Ultra, S24 Ultra here. I have just got a brand new update on the Galaxy S25 Ultra running on One UI 8.5 beta. This is the 10th and the final beta that we have on the Galaxy S25 series, and we are all eagerly waiting for the One UI 8.5 stable release, which might happen in the next few days. And meanwhile, we also got a brand new update. This device was sitting on the February Google Play system update. Let me just quickly show you the screenshot that I've taken. This is the one. You can see we got February Google Play system update. I know some of you guys would have already got the March update, but today I have got a brand new update, and that update is for March Google Play system update. Let me just go to the security and privacy here and tap on updates. And here we go. We have got Google Play system update for March. I suggest you to go ahead and check this. You may be able to get the April Google Play system update. We are not very sure. It depends on the region. Google rolls out these updates in different phases. I did read some of you guys mentioning that the March Google Play system update was available for the S25 series on the stable One UI 8 some time ago. But here in my region, on my device, I just got the March Google Play system update. Now let me again tap on this and check for updates. Let's see if there is anything new here. Your device is up to date, it says, and this is only for March. The April release might happen in the next couple of weeks, probably after we get the stable release here. Do let me know which Google Play system update you're on the Galaxy S25 series. Now let's check this on the S26 series as well. Let's go to the security and privacy and updates. You can see I am currently on the March Google Play system update. This is on the stable One UI 8.5, and I still do not have the April Google Play system update on this device. And I did get an incremental upgrade on this as well. As you can see, this is the update that I got today, a small 15 MB incremental update. You can go ahead and check it out on your S26 series. Even here, let me just show you the update details, which I just got it today. This is 69 MB update for March Google Play system update. And here on the S24 Ultra, let's check this out. There are many S24 series users on the channel. Let's go to security and privacy. Here we go. Now let me tap on updates. We are on March Google Play system update on this device as well. Let's check for the update. Again, there is a small incremental update like this device here, the S26 Ultra. We have got the same incremental update of 15 MB on the Galaxy S24 series as well. So you can go ahead and check it out. Check your device for the Google Play system update. If there is any incremental update, do go ahead and update it. Now, all these three devices are on March Google Play system update. Let me know whether you're on the same page or whether you've got the latest April Google Play system update on your device. Now, I'll go ahead and download this and install this on the Galaxy S24 series. And as far as the S25 series is concerned, the beta is performing decently well. I don't see any major issues or any issues on the device as of now, but I do see some of you guys reporting that the battery is not performing that well on the S25 series. Share your experience of One UI 8.5 beta 10 on the S25 series. Do drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with everything that's happening with your device. Don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. I will be adding some new wallpapers today on the application. Stay tuned for that, and you can go ahead and download the app. The link is in the description. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.